just a recap of what we've achieved so far. We've got our React front end using Frontity running on localhost 3000. It's receiving its data from our WordPress.com WordPress setup. Currently displaying 3 posts. To it, whenever we want to add a post, we'll just add a new. Once published, our new post will be displayed here. Earlier posts will be pushed down further on the list. Now we can customize our posts. First of all, we'll click on this and see what happens. This is an uncategorized post. We've got the title here and the contents of the post. I'll go to posts, all posts, and then post 4. We'll click on that to edit it. We'll go to featured image, media library, and I'm just going to add this image for the purpose of demonstration. Insert that. We'll hit update, wait until this is updated. Post updated. We'll go back to localhost 3000, and now we've got on our front page the image displayed that is the featured image for this post. If we click on this, we'll be directed to the post, and now we can see the featured image as well. If we want to specify a category for this post, we'll go back here. I'll just change the title of this to MERN Demo. We can go to post and then categories. We've only got one category, and that's uncategorized. But we can add a new category here. So a relevant category for MERN demo will be programming. Let's say, add new category. So this post is categorized to fall under programming. We'll also add another category called, let's say, Node.js. And we'll put this under the parent category of programming. Add new category. So now this post is uncategorized, and it also is categorized under programming and Node.js. So what I'll do is I'll just deselect that. It won't matter if you don't do that. It'll only show up with it being categorized under uncategorized, which doesn't make much sense. I'll update this, and now I'll go back to localhost 3000, and as you can see, we've got our categorizations here. Now we might want to edit our main menu slightly. If we click on home, it'll direct us to this page. I'll click on our Learn Demo post, and then I'll click home, which will bring us back. Portfolio, nothing is displayed here. If we go back to our WordPress.com site, we'll create a new page, add new page. We'll click blank page. We'll call this portfolio. This is the portfolio page. We'll publish this. Refresh localhost 3000, and now we've got the portfolio page displayed. We'll need to do the same for the about page and the contact page. If we want to add an additional menu item, we can go back to our code. Within our frontity.settings.js, we can see under packages with our theme object, we've got state menu and home, portfolio, about, contact, which is the same up here. We can add, let's say, a programming URL. I'll save this, go back to our localhost 3000, and we've got our new menu item ready for a page to be created for it. We'll go back to our WordPress. Pages, add new, blank page, programming, go back to localhost 3000, hit programming, and we've got our programming page. Now back to Heroku. We'll go back to our app. And we'll open the app. And as we haven't redeployed our updated code, it's still displaying the old theme. So we'll go back to a command prompt. I'll open a new one. Back to our main directory. CD into clients. Now we need to add this to our local repository, so git add full stop for all. As we've installed the new theme, a lot of additional content will be added to our code, as well as taking a lot away from the previous theme. We'll type git status just to check what it's adding. Then we can git commit to our local repository with a message of second Heroku deployment. And we need to push to Heroku, git push Heroku master. So we've now deployed again to Heroku. We can go back to our browser. I'll close this. Back in our app, we'll click open app. Now we've deployed our updated code to Heroku. And again, if we wish to change anything, such as add a post or edit a post, we can go back to our Headless WordPress site. We'll add an additional post. We'll add a featured image. We'll hit publish. Post is published. We'll go back to our Heroku app. We'll refresh it. And now we've got post 5. That was our previous post. And earlier posts are continuously pushed down.